Genesis Digital Key 2 allows drivers to unlock, lock, and start their car using a compatible smartphone device. Genesis Digital Key 2 is compatible with most near-field communication, or NFC, enabled smartphone devices. Genesis Digital Key 2 requires an active Genesis Connected Services account. For more information and to see a list of compatible devices, visit owners.genesis.com and click Resources. No login is required to access the Resources page. Genesis Digital Key 2 is part of the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app and can be set up through the app. Start by enrolling in Genesis Connected Services and then download Genesis Intelligent Assistant in the Apple iOS or Google Play app stores. To use Genesis Digital Key 2, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth and NFC features are both enabled. Log in to the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app to access the digital key option. Be sure that both of your smart key fobs are inside the vehicle. On your vehicle's infotainment system settings, select Setup, Vehicle, Digital Key, Smartphone Key, My Smartphone Key, and then select Save. On your smartphone device, press Setup Digital Key, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Place your smartphone on the vehicle authentication pad or wireless charging pad with the screen facing up. You should see a confirmation message if done correctly. After setting up Digital Key 2, the feature will be ready for immediate use. If your mobile device supports ultra-wideband and Bluetooth Low Energy, Genesis Digital Key 2 allows hands-free unlocking by simply approaching your Genesis. The vehicle can then also be started without using a key fob, simply by having your smartphone inside your Genesis vehicle. You can also share your digital key with up to 3 friends or family members via your phone wallet. Shared keys can also have different permission levels, allowing you to control whether another user can only unlock and lock doors or can also drive your Genesis. You can revoke access to a shared card at any time by opening the Wallet app, locate the key you'd like to remove, and then press Stop Sharing. To remove all digital keys, including shared keys, press Setup, Vehicle, Digital Key, Smartphone Key, and then select Delete All. We recommend using the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app to easily send remote commands. From your smartphone, you can lock or unlock doors, locate your vehicle, monitor state of charge, and much more. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.